friends, this is Shalini, your IELTS expert from Astron Institute of International Studies. Well, today I am here to address a few common concerns related to the IELTS exam. Some students appear for the IELTS exam and often ask me, "Ma'am, I am not happy with my IELTS test result. How can I get my paper remarked or re-examined?" Well, there is a very slight chance of an error occurring in the IELTS marking. However, if you did not receive the score that you expected, you can definitely get your paper re-examined or re-evaluated. This is called an EOR or Inquiry on Result. You can choose the sections that you want to get re-evaluated and will have to pay a fees of 8,475 Indian rupees for each section. Well, that's all I have for you from my side today. I will definitely come back with more updates about the IELTS exam. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.